Good morning, students. Hope you have finished with your half-yearly exams. Now you must be preparing for your future, that is for your post-midterm exams, isn't it? Now after your midterm exams, I'll start with the lesson Our World and the Environment. That is chapter 16, Natural Wonders. What is natural wonder, students? What do you mean by natural wonders? Natural wonder is a sight must not be naturally occurring, created without human intervention, which feels natural and which looks natural. That is, it must be clearly a natural sight or monument that was not made by or altered by humans. It is called natural wonders. Now we'll study how many natural wonders are there in the world. Over the years, many institutions have attempted to list the most magnificent wonders of the world. Here is a list of known and grow with TEDx top 8 natural wonders across the world. Now, first great natural wonders is the Great Canyon. See, this is the Great Canyon. It is situated in Arizona, that is in USA. The 277-mile long Great Canyon measures up to a mile deep and some 18 miles wide at its broadest. It was formed for over 6 million years by the unstoppable course of the Colorado River. Is it clear? Now, second natural wonders of the world are Ayers Rock, that is Uluru. See, this is Ayers Rock, Uluru. The second largest monolith means single rock on earth, lies in the middle of the Simpson Desert in Australia. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. What was it declared? A UNESCO World Heritage Site. Remember it, in 1987. This Ayers Rock. Now, third natural wonders are the Northern Lights. See, the Northern Lights. It is seen in both polar regions of the planet. This dazzling light show is aptly referred to as the Northern or Southern Lights. Aptly means suitably. The effect is brought on by charged cosmic particles. What are cosmic? Connected with the space or the clear universe image. Entering and interacting with the Earth's atmosphere, which causes vivid colors to be painted across the night sky. Then comes the Iguazu. See? Iguazu Fall. This is fall. It is the fourth natural wonder. Iguazu Falls are the largest system of waterfalls of the Iguazu River found on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Then comes the Great Barrier Reef. See, this is Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. It is made up of nearly 3,000 individuals reef and almost 1,000 islands over a span of 1,400 miles. What do you mean by reef? Reef is just below or above the surface of the sea. Reef. See, this reef is just below the surface of the sea. This reef. Breathtaking in its beauty, it is home of a large diversity of marine creatures Marine creatures live here. It is their home. Understood? Now comes the sixth world natural wonders of the world, that is Amazon rainforest. See, the Amazon has an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest and provides critical services for mankind. See this one. World's largest tropical rainforest. Then comes the seventh one. See, so beautiful. It is Ha Long Bay. Such a beautiful scene. See, all these are natural wonders. No one has made it. Only God has created it. Just see. The La Long Bay lies in the northeast of Vietnam. It is famous for its emerald waters. See the emerald waters, the color of the water. Emerald means is the only steps to the beach. And thousands of towering limestone islands that are topped by the rainforest. Then comes the eighth one, that is natural wonders, Mount Everest. This name you must have heard before also. Known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Korolongam in Tibet, Mount Everest is the one of the most famous mountain ranges in the world. It is the tallest mountain peak in the world. The mountain has been named after Sir George Everest. See this. Then comes Novi Derek. Gangkhar Pensum, that is 7,570 meter in Bhutan, is widely claimed to be the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. In Bhutan, the climbing of mountains higher than 6,000 meter has been prohibited since 1994. Is it clear, students? Only I will be taking this chapter for next term. I will be taking for next chapter. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.